Hey there, welcome back. Today we will deal with predicates, and predicates is something which could be used to perform some kind of boolean operations, and based on the operation we will receive the boolean value, either true or false. Now definitely predicate could be useful with reference to lambda expression, as the interface is a functional interface and therefore it could be used as the assignment target for lambda expression. Now if we check this package java.util.function, and for example I search for predicate, then there are a couple of variation of predicate which are available. For example, by predicate, double predicate, int predicate, long predicate, predicate, and all of these version of predicate help us to check couple of things. These things are like some operation, and definitely the predicate will return a boolean value. So let's proceed further and let's check the int predicate. So if I type in int predicate, let me try to autocomplete and give the name as maybe less than 18. So we are checking whether the person's age is less than 18 or not, and if it is less than 18, then definitely we will return true. So that's the logic, and in here we will make use of what we say constructor. So we will type in new int predicate, and now in here this is an interface and we have to override using the anonymous inner type. So in here, as soon as I autocomplete, we have to override this method whose name is test. Alright, so inside this test method we can easily perform some operation like if value, which is nothing but this parameter, if value is less than 18, then we will return true, else we will return false. So pretty standard stuff, right? And let me format things a little. Now friends, moving forward, for example in here we would like to test the condition. Definitely we can do that. In here let me try to sys out the statement, and in here we can easily type in less than 18 dot test, and we can pass the value maybe 12, and as 12 is less than 18, then definitely the answer should be true. Here is the output, which is perfect. Now for example, if I pass on maybe 20, then the output should be false. So this is no rocket science, this is standard stuff. But the advantage of predicate is when we mix predicate with lambda expressions. Now in here let me do one thing, let me get rid of all the stuff which is there, and in here we will make use of lambda expression, and this would be very simple. In fact, first of all we need to provide a what we say temporary variable name. This name could be anything, maybe I, then arrow token, then the condition is I is less than 18, right? And then semicolon, and that's it. So I have replaced lot of statements using this very simple looking what we say expression, and this is the power of lambda expression. Now again, if I execute the program, definitely the answer is false, and if I pass 12, then the answer should be true. Now friends, we can make use of predicates with other predicates as well. Let me show you. If I copy this particular statement and paste this in here, and the condition could be like more than 10 maybe. So it could be like more than 10, right? And we will change the condition as more than 10. So pretty standard stuff. Now if we would like to make use of both of the predicates, then definitely there is something in here. We will be doing it like this. We will say less than 18 maybe, and even we have the or options as well. So and then we will make use of more than 10 dot test, and we will pass the value. The value could be like 13. Now 13 is definitely falls under the sweet spot in between 10 to 18. Definitely the output should be true. And for example, if we pass maybe 45, then the output should be false. So this is again yet another scenario where we can make use of multiple predicates, and definitely we can also make use of or in here. So in here, for example, I type in or, even that is okay. And again, if I execute this program, the output is true because 45 is more than 10, right? So either of the condition is true, then the output should be true. Alright, so let me undo the change. Alright, so this is the quick overview of predicate. We will again check yet another scenario where predicate could be used in our next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.